Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode, I want to show you how I make my balushai. I just love eating it, not necessary for any occasion. I just love the taste and love the texture and love how it looks. Let's go through the ingredients, then we're gonna get started. We're gonna need some all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, baking powder, baking soda, plain yogurt, vegetable ghee, little bit of water if I need it. And for the sugar syrup, this is granulated sugar, little bit of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and 1 cup of water. So first thing I'm gonna do is, to my sugar, I'm gonna add my water. And now I'm gonna go ahead to my stove and I'm gonna bring this to a boil. When this gets to a boil as a thick consistency, and then I'm just gonna drop a little bit of squeeze freshly lemon juice, because I think it is really important in a sugar syrup to add a little bit, at least it's about 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, not much. So what this does is it will keep the syrup to stay as a syrup, not to get thick, not to move to its place. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil, let it boil, and then I'm gonna add this, and then turn the oven off, and then let this to cool on the side, and then we're gonna keep moving on the dough. I always start with my wooden spoon, mix all this dry ingredient together, and then add the yogurt, ghee, and then I'm gonna keep mixing this. If I see I need a little bit of water, then I'm gonna add. If I don't have to add any water, then I'm not gonna add any. Now I want to switch to my hand, and then I'm gonna start making the dough, and make sure this dough has to stay roughly, not smooth like pizza dough, not smooth like a roti dough, paratha dough. No, this has to stay roughly. And I think I need to add a little bit of water. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. Okay, so this is done. It's staying roughly like this. We're not smoothing this dough. So now I used a Greek style yogurt, which is really thick. If you're using a regular plain yogurt, which is not Greek, then you may no need to add any water at all, because it's a little bit runny compared to the Greek one. So I add another half cup. Sorry, this is a half cup of water, just to make this a dough. But just be careful and pay attention for the yogurt that you're gonna use. So this dough is going to cover and then rest for 10 minutes, no more than that. So in the meantime, the sugar syrup is boiling, and it's gonna I'm gonna let it cool, and at the time the 10-minute pass, we're gonna start shaping the balushai and deep frying them. So it's been 10 minutes and my dough was resting, and now I'm dividing it into 10 equal pieces, and this is how we're gonna do this. We're just gonna keep it roughly. We are not making little balls for roti dough or anything. So as it is, just grab it and then try to use your thumbs to make a hole in the middle, and then just set them on the side. Just do this to all of them. No need to be perfect. Very roughly, just like that. Just break it into like that. Just make sure they are all equal, and then a hole in the middle. That's it. Keep doing this, and then my oil back there is preheating. Then we're gonna start frying it. My oil is hot enough. Just drop the balushai I'm gonna do this in 2 batches. You don't want to put all of them, so temperature gonna go down, and then it's gonna absorb so much oil. So I'm gonna put 5 for now. My balushai is ready to come out from the oil. It is nice golden brown. Now make sure that the oil is on the right temperature, on medium high heat. If it's too low, your balushai won't be rise as it should be. It's not gonna be good, and if it's too high, then it's gonna burn and not to cook inside. So I'm gonna remove the hot balushai. It's gonna go into the warm sugar syrup. After that, I'm gonna put the second batch. My balushai is ready. It was a nice golden brown color when I dig them into the sugar syrup, and this is how they look like. Nice and golden brown and sugary. This is going to this is already drying. I just want to break it and show you. Look at that. Look at the inside one. Look at this. See, all the sugar syrup goes inside, and it is slightly crunchy on the outside and chewy and soft on the inside. This is a perfect balushai that you are looking for. Go ahead and click that link down below for the full written recipe. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click on that little bell icon, so you're gonna get all the notification anytime I upload any new video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. I will see you next time with another great recipe. Bye for now.